Looking for the perfect self-hosted photo management solution in 2025? Today we are comparing three of the most popular options: Immich, PhotoPrism, and Synology Photos. Whether you are packing up family memories or managing a pro photo library, let's break down which one is truly worth your time. Overview. Immich is the new kid on the block, modern, mobile first, and focused on lighting fast backups from your phone. Think of it like an open source Google Photos alternative. PhotoPrism is a powerful AI driven solution. It's all about smart search, facial recognition, and privacy first features. Synology Photos comes pre installed with Synology NAS devices. It's seamless, polished, and perfect for existing Synology users. Features breakdown. Immich shines when it comes to usability, automatic mobile uploads, live photo support, motion videos, map view, and facial recognition. Yes, it's all there. Plus, the user interface feels slick and modern. PhotoPrism, on the other hand, has incredible search capabilities. You can type sunset in Paris and find it instantly, thanks to local AI tagging, but it requires more setup and system resources than Immich. Synology Photos offers reliable backup, folder-based organization, facial recognition, and easy sharing, but it is tied to Synology hardware and lacks some of the AI or slick user interface elements found in the other two. Customization. Immich and PhotoPrism are both highly configurable. Synology Photos, limited. What you see is what you get. AI and smart tagging. PhotoPrism wins here, hands down. Immich is catching up. Synology is behind in this area. Mobile experience. Immich is the smoothest by far. PhotoPrism's mobile web view is okay. Synology's app works, but feels dated. Performance and ease of use. Now, when it comes to performance, Immich is fast and responsive. It uses modern tech like Go and Flutter, making it lightweighting and efficient. PhotoPrism is more resource intensive, but incredibly smart once set up. Synology Photos is stable, but really only shines if you are already in the Synology ecosystem. Ease of setup. Immich, easy with Docker. PhotoPrism, moderate, more dependencies. Synology Photos, easiest, just plug and go if you own a Synology NAS. Conclusion. So now you may ask yourself which one is the best in 2025. Choose Immich if you want a modern private Google Photos alternative that works beautifully on mobile. Choose PhotoPrism if you are a power user who wants the smartest AI photo search and doesn't mind a little setup. Choose Synology Photos if you already own a Synology NAS and just want a simple, stable solution. Like and subscribe if this helped, and let me know down below in the comments which one are you using in 2025. And for now, goodbye.